Hi, I'm Bob from Plastic Pipe Shop, and in this video we're going to have a look at the different types of pipe clips. Now, we sell quite a few different types of pipe clips on the website. The main difference between them is there are some plastic types and then a rubber lined steel type. There's two key factors when you're choosing what types of pipe clip to use. The first of those is expansion and contraction of your pipe system. Plastic clips allow the pipe to slide through. So if we have a long run of pipe, say 5 or 10 meters or more, it allows for the pipe to slide through the pipe clips. If they gripped it really hard, then it's going to put stress on that pipe system because the pipe's going to want to expand. So the only way it can expand is to start to bow in the middle, because it's got to expand somewhere once you get the heat. And the same with contraction as well. If it's clipped in when weather's nice and hot and then it wants to contract, the only way it can contract is to pull on itself, and that puts stress on our pipe and on our pipe system, especially if we've got any joints along the way. It's going to be trying to pull the pipe out of the joint all the time. The rubber line pipe clips grip the pipe really hard. Okay, so we don't want to use these on long pipe systems because that's going to cause all of our issues that we just talked about. These are really good clips though for complex systems. If you've got a small complex skid with loads of bits of pipe going all over the place and you just want to clip it and you want to brace it, these are really great for that. Especially since we can vary the length of the threaded rod which is attaching onto the clips. So for example, these are just 2 pre-cut lengths that we sell, or you can buy the full 1 meter lengths and just cut them exactly to the length that you want. So it's nice and easy to support. So these can either go into unistrut fittings or they can go into threaded feet, which can then just be screwed onto a backboard or onto timber or onto steel or onto anything really. These give a great amount of flexibility when we're clipping our system down, because we can get our distances from our mountings absolutely perfect. The other key point we need to think about is the height of the pipe clip. I'm not talking about the height from here to here, I'm talking about the height from here, the bottom of the pipe clip, down to the base. Now, pipe clips like this are fine if we have our pipe which is running along, but the moment we try and introduce a union or a valve into that, the valve and union are actually going to be deeper than this bit here. So we're not going to be able to fit them in because there's not going to be enough room underneath. So you can buy separate spacer blocks for these pipe clips which raise the pipe clips up and therefore allow you to put unions and valves and things like that in line. Or we can go for clips like this which actually have an inbuilt spacer block with them. So if you're not using it, you can tear it off and discard it. If you are using it, then you can use it, and it raises that clip up off whatever you're using, be it a wall or be it the floor or be it the ceiling, and gives you space to put standard valves and things like that on. What it's not going to give you the space for is flanges. So if you've got flanges in your system, you either need enough space underneath your pipe clips or you need to somehow raise the whole system up. And again, that's where these tend to come in use, but only for short pipe runs. I'll just run you quickly through how to use these ones because people are often confused when they're using these clips, and we often get people ringing up and telling us that the pipes don't fit the clips. So the pipe goes into the clip and people often call us up and say, well, that's not clipping it very, very strongly at all. Whereas actually what you've got to do with these clips is just push the pipe down and that then grips it nice and hard. As I say, we still get that movement for the expansion and contraction through the plastic pipe clip, but it does grip it nice and tightly. There you go. I hope that's helped you make an informed decision about what types of pipe clips to use and where to use them in your system. Thanks for watching. Bye.